guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aixa, and today we are going to be opening up BoxyCharm Premium. It is officially August. This is upside down, but this is July's box, and we're opening it in August because they sent it out late, and it's just, I can't do anything about that, and I'm very, very sorry. So forgive me, please. Thank you. So let's open this up. This is $35 a month. I don't remember how many items come in the box, and I believe you get over like $150 worth of products in here. Hopefully they have a card, because I love me a good card. I don't like looking things up. It's so hot in here. I'm like sweating. It's disgusting. Okay, anyways, if you guys like what's in the box, and if you like to sign up for BoxyCharm, whether it's the base box or the premium box, I will leave the link down below for you guys. I'm kind of like, my shirt's falling apart, but it's whatever. So let's open it up. Anything good? Oh, I see a little flappy thing. Here we go. So, ooh, a card. Ooh, wait, this looks very interesting. Okay, we got ourselves a card that I'm fanning myself with because now I'm sweating. Ooh, child. Okay, so, whew, I'm sweating. Oh, I see something down here. Sorry, I got distracted. The Morphe and Manny MUA Glam palette. So I actually already own this palette, so I think I'm gonna give it away to someone else. Let me just double check if it's this one. Yes, this palette. I already own this palette, so I think I'm just gonna give it away to somebody else that does not have it and would like it. So yeah, so I don't want to touch it or swatch it or anything like that since I already own it. So we're just gonna put that to the side. I actually like this palette a lot. If you guys would like to see a look with it, I will leave the link in my description box below of the video where I reviewed this palette, and I think it's really nice. It has really nice colors in it. This palette retails for $20, and it's actually a very good deal because there's like a good amount of shades in here. What is this? I don't remember, honestly. Okay, so there's 14 shadows, and I believe there's like 2 highlighters, right? I'm confused. Okay, wait, hold up. There's 14 shades in total, sorry. 12 are eyeshadows and 2 are highlighters. So for $20, I think that's a freaking good deal because the highlighters are pretty big pans. I have to find mine and then I can show you, but honestly, it might take a while to find it because it's somewhere lost within my bins of eyeshadow palettes. Let me see if I find it for you guys. Give me a second. Okay, so I found mine. So yes, so it has 2 highlighters and it has 12 eyeshadows, and I think these are really, really, really cute. I think that they're so nice. It's a very nice neutral palette. It has like this burgundy shade, which I'm obsessed with, but like they have nice shades in here. It's very neutrally, but it has like its spice of color. So I love this palette. So I'm kind of happy that they have it in here so that those that do not have the palette, it's a good deal, and it's only $20 like this, and it has a nice little mirror. $20 for this. So let's go to the next one in here, and this is the Folly Fire. I'm not sure if it's a U or not. Folly Fire, F-O-L-L-Y Fire. The Expensive Habits in Full House, Here to Slay, and Sunset Boulevard. And this is creamy matte lipsticks. These are so cute. Hold up. Okay, making a mess here. Okay. Oh wow, this is really dark. This one is the shade Full House. Wow, that's dark. Then this one is Sunset Boulevard. Let me take this one out. This one's really pretty. This one's like more of the naturally shade. I feel like I should swatch these for you, right? I should swatch these for you. So let's go. This one is, which one was this one again? Full House. So we're just gonna swatch these on the back of my hands. That's really pretty. It's really dark though. I would definitely use this more towards the fall than I would like now in the summer, you know. Then this one is Sunset Boulevard. I don't want to mix them, so it's gonna be a little bit harder. Ooh, there we go. If you can see that. This one's really pretty. I feel like this one's more like a pinkish, summery color as opposed to the other one. It's like more nudie, and I actually like this one a lot. This one's kind of like my favorite. Like this is the kind of pinkish. I feel like if it was a little bit darker, it would be like more of a nude, but I think it's really pretty. And then this one is Here to Slay, and this one, according to like the sticker, it looks a little bit more red than the other ones. Oh yeah, oh, I love a nice red. Let's just throw this one here. Ooh. Come on. You don't like this red? I don't know what to tell you. That red is so pretty. I like how it's a nice little size for the, I don't know why I keep putting them back in the box, but it's fine. It's a nice size, like obviously because it's like full size. This retails, the trio retails for $40. So I feel like that retails each one for like 12 maybe, 24, 48, no, 12, 24, 38. So maybe like a little bit more than $12, like $12.50 each maybe, or something like that, just give or take, which isn't bad. I mean, they're very nice, they're very creamy and very pigmented, so I feel like that's not a bad price. I feel like I would have to actually try them and see how they wear throughout the day. I don't know why I keep putting these things back in the box. It's just, I don't know. But let's just take this off my hand really quickly, and then we'll move on to the next thing. So it already kind of started staining my hand, but it's alright. So let's move on to the next thing. This thing has been calling my name since I've opened the box, and this is the Cuticle Revitalizing Oil, Milk and Honey. Wow, cuticle oil. I like this. Hands, feet, and body. Apply 1 drop to cuticle revitalizer to each cuticle and massage gently. Can be used daily. This is very interesting. I actually like this. I get my nails done a lot, so honestly I don't think I would keep this for myself because since I do get my nails done, I don't really use them. But I do think I will give this to my nail tech, and she would love this. Honestly, she would use this more than I would use it. This values at, what is this? What's the name of this company? Cocoyo Natural. Cocoyo Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. This is $18. Honestly, I think that this is a very big bottle, and it's a very good size for $18. I mean, I think cuticle oils are pretty expensive. I don't know. I don't really use them other than when I get my nails done, but I think that that's like a pretty good price. It's like a milk and honey too, so yeah, I think this is really cool. I think she'll be really excited to have this. And yeah, see, I like BoxyCharms mostly because it's like, it's not just for me, you know. I can find things in here that I can give to other people that would use it, because a lot of things, talk girl, figure out your words. A lot of the times there's things that I wouldn't use personally, but I know someone close to me that would use it or would love it, so that's what I like. So this will definitely go to my nail tech. So the next thing we have is the High CBD Formula Body Lotion for your mind, body, and body. Wait, what? For your mind and I've heard body twice. I'm thinking of Summer Walker. For your mind and body. Our High CBD Formula Body Lotion has been crafted from the finest ingredients to deliver a rich, luxurious lotion with unparalleled absorption. The multitasking formula has been designed to be both hydrating and calming. Okay, 1 or 2 pumps of lotion into the affected area. Allow lotion to fully absorb. Repeat as needed. Do not apply to broken skin. The infected area? Oh, affected. I thought I read infected, and I was like, infected? What is infected? No, affected. I want to see how this smells. Oh wow, okay. I have a little fuzz on me now. Okay. Oh, okay, there's too much going on here just to see how it smells, so I can't smell that. We're gonna figure that out later. There was too much going on in this machine of a pump. I'll figure that out later. This retails for, what is your name? Lord Jones. Lord Jones, $40. $40 for this small little thing, size of my hand. I can hold it in one hand. I can hold it in a hand. That shouldn't be a thing. That shouldn't be a thing. That's the size of my hand for $40. But we're gonna keep it kicking, okay? We're gonna keep it kicking. So the next thing that we have 2 more items left, right? Just 2 items. Yeah, oh, they got like a little cardboard thing now at the bottom. I guess to like keep it up so it won't be as empty in the box, which is, I guess, nice because, you know, whatever. I feel like I'm putting everything back in the box that I have no trash to put in the box. Let's see. The next thing we have is the Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist from Ciate London. Ooh, a setting mist. Freaking love setting mists, especially coconut ones. They smell so good. Just give me a few so that I can... I'll break the box. Oh, whatever. Now I got trash because I'm not putting that back in the box. Can you smell it? First spray is always rough. Okay, I like the spritzer. Oh, it smells so good, and the spritzer is so nice. Wow, I have nothing to say, but it feels really, really good. It smells amazing. Oh, I love this smell. Ooh, yes. So this is $22. I think this is a very expensive bottle for $22. I think like Ciate London is pretty good. Like they're really good, nice high quality products. But I think this is a little small for $22. I can pay like 15 to 18 for this. I don't know about 22. But okay. And the last product we have is the bubble wrap because we are trying to protect you at all costs, huh? Let's open this up. This is from Kania on Divorce Beauty Blush and Shine Kit. This looks so luxurious, like the white packaging, but like when you open it, as I was opening slowly, it's like a snake print in white packaging. It's so nice. It looks so luxurious. Oh, this is really pretty. So it doesn't have a mirror. It's a nice little flappy thing I'm gonna throw out anyway. Look how pretty these are. So we have like the blushes in the bottom row and then the highlighters on the top row, and I think this is so pretty. It comes in different like shades for like depending on different skin tones, and honestly I would see myself mixing the Gemini and Lazola, because Lazola, I'm saying that completely wrong. I already know I'm saying it wrong. Lazola, still saying it wrong, but it's okay. Gemini and the L1 together because it's very pinkish, so I will have to do that, mix these two. And I feel like this one, XOXO, it's a little bit dark, so I would have to like go in lightly, but it's really pretty. And then we have Light, Camera, and Shine at the top, which is the highlighter shades, and I feel like Camera might be a little bit dark for me, but it would be really pretty on like a lid, like a eyeshadow look. So honestly I really like this. I think it's really pretty. The packaging is to die for, and this retails for $42. I wanted you guys to see this again as I said it. $42. I would not pay $42 for this. I am so sorry. If I'm getting a whole eyeshadow palette for $20, why would I pay $42 for 6 things? 3 highlighters and 3 blushes. Why? If I know for sure, like if I was going out to buy this, I wouldn't pay $42. One, because it's $42, and 2, because I know I wouldn't use every color in here. I would probably reach for like 1 or 2 of these in here. Why would I pay $42 for 2 things? That's me personally. I mean, it could be a great investment, but that's not the investment I would be willing to take. So I'm glad I got it in a BoxyCharm instead, you know. Honestly, I'm really impressed with this month's box. Like, even though I'm gonna probably give away this, and then even though I am gonna give away this and this, I'm impressed because I would, if I didn't already own it, I would have kept it. Love it already. So everything else is just amazing, and I feel like this is one of the most, like, the best boxes that I've gotten in a while, honestly. And I'm very impressed with this box, honestly. Like, today I came in and I was like, they're probably not gonna, because lately I haven't been getting a lot of makeup, honestly, and I'm like, I'm just gonna, you know, I'm gonna get a lot of skincare, so I'm not even gonna do a full face. I'm just gonna unbox it and keep it going. One day I decide not to do a full face, I get makeup galore, and I'm like, I could have done a full face, but I already had set in my mind I wasn't gonna do it. I don't have anything set up, so sorry guys. But I think that they're really nice. I think that they're really pretty, and I will gather your thoughts, Aixa. Thank you. And I'm pretty excited to play with this in the future, so stay tuned to my videos so you can see how they play and how they are. And again, if you guys want to see a look with this palette, I will leave it linked in the description below so that you guys can see it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, just leave a little comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see me do next. If you want me to subscribe to anything, if you want me to buy anything, any clothes, any makeup, review anything you can think of, any challenges, anything, leave a little comment. I'll be happy to do it for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button down below so that you'll be notified every time that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Let me see your belly boob when the beat drops.